Hi, my choice of sprouted greens are quite limited at the grocery store. I can only get alfalfa and watercress. So I found this book. I've been using this for years, year-round indoor salad gardening. And he has a really great step-by-step on how to grow indoor greens without any lights. It's really fast. You can harvest within 5 days. I want to show you what I've grown here. On the end here, I've got some, these are broccoli sprouts. They're super healthy for you because they're nutrient rich, and it's a really tiny seed. Now, if I was to pull these out one by one and plant them, then I would grow a broccoli plant, but I'm just growing the tops. This is a mix. It's called a Mischung in German. It's a mix of radish, there's wheatgrass, and mung bean sprouts. And this is what this looks like. It's a mix here. And then the last one completely surprised me. This is mustard. And I just took the mustard seeds out of my spice cabinet and they germinated, and I'm surprised that they grew this thick. I did try black mustard seeds, that was a bomb, and I tried fennel seeds and they didn't work either. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my bean cupboard, and I've done it before. I've sprouted black lentils and green lentils and brown lentils, and just see what comes up, and I'll fill you in on what they look like. But now I've got some fresh greens for my salad. Hopefully I can get into a little bit larger production because my hubby and I are staying pretty close to home. We've got a lot of cases of the coronavirus, and we like each other's company and don't need to be out all the time. So thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.